little breezy this evening. Looking at our Dakota Magic Casino sky cam, we've got some wintry weather in the forecast. We've had a very mild winter season thus far. Lots of dead grass out there, but in just a couple of days' time, it's going to be snow covered. We've got first alert weather days for Thursday and Sunday. Let's talk first about Thursday. Just a few kind of pinpoints here. Snow on Thursday primarily going to impact the southern half of our region, with the most accumulation along the North Dakota-South Dakota border. Not going to be much wind on Thursday. The bigger system arrives this weekend. The snow will actually be from Saturday through Monday, but the biggest day that we're watching is going to be Sunday. Heavier snow impacting the southern half of the region into northwestern Minnesota. Still a little too soon for specific amounts. Can't pinpoint for your hometown, but we are looking at areas of 8 to 12 inches of snow, looking increasingly likely, and more wind too. First, let's talk about Thursday, the timing and track. Early Thursday morning, a few snow showers in southeastern North Dakota, the far southern valley. But the main event for Thursday arrives later in the day. This is 7:50 p.m. seeing some snow overspreading through east, central, southeastern North Dakota and the southern valley. Note that most of the northern valley remains dry, but down across the south, we could see some areas of heavy snowfall at times. All in all, going to be a fairly quick mover. Again, arriving Thursday evening, exiting generally by Friday morning, but a quick hitter with several inches of snow. Here in Fargo, I expect around 1 to 3 inches, less than an inch in Grand Forks out through Bemidji and up into Langdon. In the purples, that's where you have the greater risk of seeing 5 or 6 or so inches of snow. Now let's talk about this weekend. Bigger changes here. Starting in the afternoon hours of Saturday, snow first arriving in southeastern North Dakota, becoming widespread by Sunday morning. And you see these dark blues? That's where we expect heavy snow at times. And most of that is going to be across the southern valley and then lifting into parts of west central northwestern Minnesota. And throughout the day on Monday, the low kind of stalls. The actual low pressure itself is going to be down here. We're on the colder back side of that, and through most of Monday we could see snow on and off through a good portion of the day. Mind you, it's only Tuesday evening. A lot can change between now and then. For now, I want to highlight the risk area of heavy snow. This is not our snowfall forecast. Not saying that everywhere in the red is going to see 8 to 12 inches of snow. That's not the case. That's just where the risk area is greatest at this time. For sure, we know that this weekend is going to bring more snow than what we're going to see on Thursday, with areas of 12 inches possible, and the possibility of some blowing and drifting, although this is going to be a heavier, wet kind of snow. Good for making a snowman, perhaps. Temperatures right now, 21 in Hallock, 31 Grand Forks, 38 in Fargo, 39 Alexandria, 41 in Oaks, and the warm spot 50 in Aberdeen, South Dakota. It is still a little breezy in spots with wind out of the north and northwest, gusting to 35 in Fargo, gusts to 41 miles per hour in Detroit Lakes. Temperature is going to be chilly by tomorrow morning, single digits and teens, and by tomorrow afternoon, only teens and 20s, a few close to 30. We went over a lot in a short amount of time. Let's put it all together here in your planning forecast. Tomorrow, generally quiet. Thursday, first alert weather day. Friday, some snow in the morning. Rest of the day going to be quiet. First half of Saturday, pretty quiet. Snow arrives the afternoon, continues into Monday. Another chance of snow Tuesday, and a couple chances for snow next week too. So buckle up. Make sure the snow blowers are gassed up, charged, whatever you got to do.
And also, I was about to say, probably just stay home. If you could, depending on if you have any long drives, probably not the best idea to try to do something like that.
Yeah, my sister has a flight back into Fargo scheduled for Sunday. I already gave her the heads up. Watch it carefully.
Yep, definitely. Summer, thank you so much. Well, if you're